Hello guys, and welcome to a new video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and we are back with some bullish content for you today. I want to cover the effects on what the US election will do with the crypto market. So before we dive into this content, I want to kindly remind you to subscribe, because I want to go to 5k subscribers. So help your boy Crypto Violin out. Like, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section below if you have questions. We are one big XRP family, and let's dive into the juicy and bullish content I have for you today. Okay, so first of all, this article is from cryptonewsflash.com and was posted on November 2nd. CHIZ: no matter Biden or Trump wins, Bitcoin price will rise 80x. No matter Biden or Trump wins the election, Bitcoin price will profit in the long term. CHIZ predicts that the Bitcoin price can rise 80x. The eyes of the world are on the elections in the United States. The economic importance of the North American country is undeniable, especially in the scenario of a global recession caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The crypto market does not escape the consequences that the elections will have. However, podcaster Max Keiser is optimistic about Bitcoin. In an interview for Crypto Potato, Keiser recounts the positions of the current president of the Republican Party, Donald Trump, and his opponent, Democrat Joe Biden. Between the two candidates, Trump has a clearer position on crypto and Bitcoin. In mid-2019, the President of the United States said he was not a fan of the digital asset, and he was unwilling to classify them as money because of their high volatility. Since its beginning, Trump's administration has taken a tough stance, as the current president's former national security advisor, John Bolton, stated that we're instructed to go after Bitcoin. That doesn't sound well, guys, to go after Bitcoin. However, Keiser believes that the Trump victory could be a positive for Bitcoin. The president is seen as a pragmatic head of state who will take a more pro-Bitcoin position if he were to enter the harsh war. That is, in a race to increase the amount of Bitcoin's computer power to compete with Iran and China. With Trump, who at least understands something about capitalism, the ascent of Bitcoin would be slower, as I believe he would calm markets by having the US enter a global harsh war that Iran now leads in a Sputnik-like call to enter the harsh race moment. Big slice of Bitcoin's global hash rate before our competitors do. I know of several countries that will soon announce major sovereign underwritings of Bitcoin hash rates to try and out Iran's position. Despite Trump's position, regulators such as the CFTC and the OCC have taken measures that favor Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The presidents of both entities have shown flexibility in applying the country's laws. In addition, it's impressive to consider that under the current administration, the adoption of Bitcoin has seen a significant increase. Not a word on Bitcoin. During the election campaign and election debates, there were no mention of Bitcoin, as noted by the crypto community. Keiser notes that Biden has an ambiguous position. Therefore, Bitcoin could benefit in the short term from an increased uncertainty that already plays an important role in the performance of the cryptocurrency. Keiser said, "As I have said, a Biden win would accelerate Bitcoin's advantage as a panic buying from those looking to escape the socialists, money printers, and MMTers going to hyperdrive. It will be like the 1938 Kristallnacht, also known as the Night of the Broken Glass, of the November pogrom. Jack-booted armed thugs will go door to door stealing property in the name of social justice." Well guys, that seems a little bit too exaggerated, okay? I don't think that anybody will break some... I don't think any glass will be broken, but we will see. Keiser predicts that the cryptocurrency will increase in price by up to 80 times. This will be driven by Bitcoin's insatiable demand for energy. Keiser believes that the incentive to mine Bitcoin will be very attractive. He added, "Bitcoin will consume all available energy on Earth and beyond to create absolute monetary scarcity to elevate humanity to a more pure spiritual state of existence. Transcendence on this scale takes synchronization and massive amounts of energy." Well guys, with the last thing, I'm not on the same page with this writer of this article, because you know what, it's not good to consume all world's energy. you can just simply go to XRP and use XRP, because XRP is scalable, it's much cheaper, it's very green, it doesn't consume lots of energy, and it's the safest of all, okay? Because the XRP ledger with its validators, there is nothing that can go wrong. And about those validators, I want to say something very bullish. This is an article from the Daily Hodl. Ripple executive says proposed XRP upgrade will be game changer. Posted on the 3rd of November. Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz says a new XRP ledger upgrade will be a game changer. Each server in the XRP ledger has a unique node list containing its list of validators. The new upgrade will account for validators that may be offline or malfunctioning due to hardware maintenance, internet issues, attacks, and/or external circumstances like natural disasters. According to the XRP Ledger website, the negative UNL is a list of trusted validators which are believed to be offline or malfunctioning as declared by a consensus of the remaining validators. Validators in the negative UNL are ignored for determining if a new ledger version has attained a consensus. Okay guys, this is very bullish guys, because Ripple is continuously developing the XRP ledger, the ecosystem, and continually pushing the XRP adoption guys. Ripple the company is pushing non-stop XRP adoption and the growth of the XRP ledger and ecosystem guys. Just remember this, okay? That being said, I want to share this bullish article with you. Silent XRP accumulation builds pressure for a breakout against Bitcoin. 19 hours ago this was posted, and we read further. XRP has barely moved more than a few cents away from an average of 25 cents for months. While on the Bitcoin trading pair, the asset has continued to fall. But while altcoins are bleeding out against Bitcoin, Ripple wheels continue to accumulate, and the soaking up of the supply could soon cause an enormous breakout. XRP versus Bitcoin, Bollinger Bands squeeze into hidden bullish divergence. It's hard to imagine an asset of any type is bullish when it's currently falling and setting new downtrend lows. But sometimes there's more going on behind the scenes, building up pressure for a massive move eventually and a change in behavior. Ripple has now spent nearly 3 full years falling on its ratio compared to Bitcoin. Since mid-2019, XRP has done very little but trade mostly sideways while grinding ever lower. The long consolidation range has resulted in the Bollinger Bands squeezing on the 2-week time frames, the second tightest point in the trading pair's history. History doesn't always repeat, but it often rhymes. And if a hidden bull divergence on the relatively strength index on the same time frame matching the last time the Bollinger Bands contracted this tight is an indication an explosive reversal against Bitcoin is near. The last time around, after a second rejection from the mid-Bollinger Bands, third time was a charm and Ripple lifted off, rising over 2000% against Bitcoin. Guys, can you imagine? Last time we did this, we rose 2000% against Bitcoin, guys. And that being said, I want to remind you to use this beautiful RoboAdvisor. It's in the description below, guys. And why am I telling you this? Because this RoboAdvisor makes you aware when to sell and when to buy, guys. But this is only RoboAdvisor, so do your own research, use your own brains, and then get the last confirmation of this RoboAdvisor. And what is very interesting about this trading advisor is actually for free for 7 days. You can try it out, and if you like it and it earns you money, then it's perfect. Then please use it more and go and get a full year subscription. But if it doesn't work for you, then it's fine, because you didn't lose any money. It's a 7-day free trial, so try it out anyway, guys. Because if we get in a huge bull run, which we are almost in, then you need to know where to sell. It would be a pity if you would say, no, I want to sell at $1,000 and at $900 the XRP price tanks to $100 back. Then you would be a very sad little crypto trader, guys. So you don't want that. So please, I kindly remind you, get this RoboAdvisor, and if you get it and you look at Bitcoin USDT chart on Bittrex, the 2-day chart, you see here that the RoboAdvisor has given us a buy 3 signal. And the previous times that we got a buy 3 signal, you know what happened, guys? Let's go and find out. So there was one buy 3 signal when we went up from approximately $3,500 to $14,000. Then we got a buy 3 signal, and the time before was 3 times a buy 3 signal, and then we went up to all-time highs, rising 1600%. And before this, we never got a buy signal before. We see here 2015 even, but we didn't got a buy signal only those times, okay? Only those 2 times. So this means we are in a very bullish position, guys. So I want to warn you. Don't be sad, don't cry, don't be a sad crypto trader when you miss this big opportunity of your lifetime, guys. Because I don't want to tell you I told you so, but if XRP moons, I will make a video telling you I told you so, okay? So do your own research. What I tell you is not trading advice, so don't buy or sell based on my videos. Do your own research, use your own brains, but let's go to the moon together, guys. I thank you very much for listening to this video, and if you like the content providing, help your boy Crypto Violent to the 5K subscribers, guys. I love you, I love your support, so help me out. If you help me out, guys, I will help you out. If we hit the 5K subscribers, I will play some bullish music on my Crypto Violent, guys. So this I promise to you, and thank you again for watching my videos, and see you in the next video. Bye.